Let's start with something big. The new FTLs query language has arrived. With the added flexibility of this query language in quotation pricing, you can now fine-tune your price list down to the last detail. And here's another new feature in the request quoting. This one is especially for cargo operators. Now, when creating a quote in Neon, you can assign a special type of cargo you will be handling. Let's step away from the sales panel for a moment and take a look at the crew qualification section. You now have the option to set a certain certificate as never-expiring, regardless of its original definition. And the last thing I want to share with you from Sprint 169 is in the Ops calendar. You can now customize what appears in the additional third row in each flight box.